to my YouTube channel Not So Secret Diaries. Today I am in this beautiful city of Lyon in France. What if I say that the golden head of Christ was buried somewhere in this city? So today I will take you to the place, which is a park giving shelter to various endangered species, housing plants from various countries, and a perfect place to spend time in the lap of nature with friends and family. People also come here for cycling, running, walking and boating. This park is known as Parc de la Tête d'Or, which means Park of Golden Head. So let's check out this place. Allons-y!
The main gate of this park is one of the most monumental of public parks in France. This exceptional structure is made up of 3 gates, which is flanked by secondary gates to provide access to pedestrians. The top golden structure looks amazing. Now I am inside the park. Behind these idols, I can see a big lake. Let's check out this lake first. This lake is an artificial one created from the arm of river Rhone. This lake was created during the creation of park itself in 1857. It occupies an area of about 17 hectares. Visitors can take paddle boat as a recreational activity and visit small islands in the lake. This lake is full of biodiversity all around, with different varieties of fishes, ducks and swans, making it quite peaceful. Now, I will take you to a zoo located in this park. Look at these beautiful deers grazing the field. Some of them are looking at us expecting his food. Sorry dear, we are not allowed to feed you. The Lyon Zoo, which is located within the Parc de la Tête d'Or, acquires an approximately 3-hectare African plain in 2006. In this area, a variety of different species coexist with a major focus on African savanna. Look at this cute baby panda. A sleeping crocodile. He doesn't seem to be disturbed by people all around. Oh, these giraffes are showcasing their majestical walk. Look at that! Oh my god, they in-house their friend as well. I think it's a wild bison. king of the jungle seems to be lazy today. And look what I found. These are monkeys. They are enjoying amongst themselves. Towards the other side, I found a flock of flamingos. Now you can see a pair of pelicans relishing the moment in the pond. Look at this bird. She is hopping on the road. Now I am heading towards Botanical Garden. Lyon's Botanical Garden is a living museum showcasing the world's plant diversity. It is an oasis in the center of city and also located in the center of Parc de la Tête d'Or. This exploration, leisure and friendly destination invites you to marvel at the richness of its numerous collection of carnivorous orchid, passion flowers and so on. This span 8 hectares and comprise 6,500 meters square of greenhouses. It is home to almost 16,000 different species of plants. This garden houses one of Europe's most extensive collection, and as a result, it attracts professionals from all around the world. Some of its collections are named National Collections, and it is a member of Conservatory of Specialized Plant Collections. It also houses a library, a herbarium, a grain storage, and a scientific center, all of which are necessary for study and conservation. It also makes investments in environmental education in order to promote long-term growth. Now I am a bit tired walking around, so I am going to take this toy train to visit all around. I can see people roaming, running, cycling, and making it as a picnic spot. I want to play with this duck. Come, come, play with me. Many people come here to spend their day for picnic, and if you haven't brought your own food, don't worry, there are some snacks point inside this park. You can see kids are also enjoying. I can't imagine I spent almost half a day exploring this park. It was so refreshing with birds, beautiful plants, wildlife animals, and kids playing around. I will be back here again for boating. Until then, bye bye.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. You are always welcome to write your suggestion in the comment box. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.